Welcome in a new course in Revit 2019. It's completely free from A to Z. Make subscribe and follow our videos under Revit 2019 course playlist and check other playlists also. Thank you. Let's start. In this video we will speak about shortcuts. Shortcuts make the work is easy. And in Revit everything have shortcuts and something not have. What not have, it is accessible for you to make for it. How to know the shortcut for everything on Revit. If you come here and make highlight only for this tab wall, from here, highlight, he will give you this wall and give you some review about it and give you the shortcut as well as example for WA. For door, the same thing, DR, and here is WN, and so on. If I make like this, and I need to modify, if I select anything, DM, this, offset OF, move MV. But you can to make edit for this shortcuts, or add a new one and rename. How to make this? You can make this by go to view, and under the user interface, go to keyboard shortcuts as it's come by KS as example. Okay, from user interface, you select keyboard shortcuts. Take care here all thing in the Revit. As similar, take care there is some properties to understand about the shortcuts. You can put more than one for only one comment. There is one comment properties. Shortcuts here is 3. And you also can make duplicate for the same shortcut. Take care this BB. If I need to make type properties by the same thing BB, I will go here and write what you need BB and make assign. Take care, he told you there is duplicate but it is allowed. And he told you take care this is duplicate. I will put okay, take care, you have the same thing. So if you need to delete this one, from here highlight this one and remove. To not make problem in this shortcuts, if you replicate or not replicate, you can make arrange this by import and export. But before here you can make filter by everything you need. Maybe you need architecture tab only to make shortcuts, or otherwise you need, if you work for precast as example too much, you can make shortcuts for it. Okay, I will make all, and from here I will make export. He told me what you need export shortcuts. I exported already, so I will cancel. But if you make save for it, and after this I told you go to book Excel and from file open it, and select as in XML table, select as read only workbook and told okay. Take care. Here you will find the all shortcuts here. It will be easy for you to make this to not duplicate the shortcuts. I'm sorry. I will come here. Take care. This one. So you can make as you need and about what you need here. As you need. After this you will make save. After save you will go to here and make import. It will ask you about it and will update this. For me, I will keep it at default. But for you as professional, you must know everything in the program, and this our concept in this course. It is course professional from A to Z. Thank you. See you in another video.